नमस्ते बच्चों, आप स्वस्थ होंगे, मस्त होंगे, राइट। सभी स्वस्थ हैं। आज हम सीबीएसई 9th स्टैंडर्ड का मोशन चैप्टर का अगला टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे। अगला टॉपिक है यूनिफॉर्म मोशन। यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, यूनिफॉर्म मोशन। In last lecture, we already discussed about the motion, right? State of motion, rest of motion, and then we confirm or we basically studied the motion is the change in displacement with respect to observer, with respect to time. At that time, body is moving from one place to the another place. But whenever body is moving from one place to the another place, the distance, displacement, velocity and speed, these parameters or these physical quantities are related with the uniform or any motion. In case of uniform motion, what parameters are required? In case of uniform motion, the velocity of object or any body, the velocity of body remains constant. Remains constant. The velocity of body remains constant. Next, the direction of velocity of body also remains constant. Means the velocity and direction of velocity both are remains constant. Listen, means one of the body is moving with suppose 40 km per hour. This body is moving in a straight line path without any change in speed in a interval of time. अगर any car, any body or any object suppose moving with a speed of 40 km per hour, 40 km per hour throughout the straight line motion, means you listen, you remember that the uniform motion is constitute or possesses the motion is a straight line, right? Clearly you remember. मीन्स आप हमेशा ध्यान में रख सकते हैं, अगर यूनिफॉर्म मोशन है तो वहाँ पर मोशन स्ट्रेट लाइन ही होना जरूरी है। वहीं पर हम यूनिफॉर्म मोशन बता सकते हैं। Whenever the body is moving 40 km per hour, at that time body is moving continuously 40 km per hour, right? Means the velocity of body does not change in a time of interval or place to place. Constant velocity 40 km per hour means first hour it's covers 40 km, second hour covers 40 km, third hour covers 40 km. That type of motion is called as a uniform motion. Means body is uniform, possesses uniform motion. Means you remember that the velocity of body remains constant, direction of velocity of body remains constant. Clearly note that the motion of that body remains in a straight line path. Understand?